Okay, yesterday I ordered some earbuds for my cell phone because I'm having a hard time hearing when I'm talking to people on the phone. So they just arrived today, and I'm going to show you the unboxing of it. Okay. Got the Tozo T6s. Nice little box, saran wrapped. Good packaging. Not mad about that. Go ahead and cut this. Oh, my assistant had to give me a hand here. I should probably be wearing my chest cam, my chest cam holder. Okay. So the box looks pretty good. Let's see here. Ooh, designed by Tozo. Oh, very nice. It's like you're like a hand model now. Okay, so earbuds, little charging case. They're supposed to charge in the case. It's good boxing here. Different sized earpieces. I guess if you have small, medium, or large ears. And a charging cord. See if there's anything else in here. No. But it is in a nice little velvety case here. Let's see how big these are. Actual size. Not too big. They won't be very noticeable as I'm wearing them. Alright, I've been using the Tozo T6 headsets for about 2 weeks now. I just want to give a little update. Profile is low. It's got excellent background noise cancellation. When I'm speaking on the phone to somebody, they always tell me, well, I can't hear any background noise at all. I can hear you clearly. I can also hear them very clearly. I did have to change the little earpiece on the end for it to fit in my ear and stay there. It stays great. I've got sweat on it and hasn't affected it. It's supposed to be waterproof. As far as listening to music on it, I wouldn't really recommend it if you're one of the people that like a lot of bass in your ear, because the bass isn't that good. But you can listen to music on it. It's not bad quality. I'm just not listening to songs with a lot of bass on it. The battery life is pretty dang good. I can listen to music all day on it. I can get about 6.5 hours if I'm listening to music all day nonstop. If I'm just using it to make phone calls, I can go days without recharging it. The case, if you open and close it, okay, I see you have one in there. The lights on the bottom will actually show you how much battery life you got left. For the price, these were well worth it. I wanted something to help me hear phone calls better, and my phone was just acting up for whatever reason. I couldn't hear it, and these are perfect for making phone calls and talking to people. For the price, well worth it. Like and subscribe.